We're still out, but it's getting cold. But look so beautiful, the trees over here. Full on fall. That's a maple. Shout out to my Canadian Canuck brothers. They be living in very oppressed country right now. I think there's a lot of Finnish people with Finnish heritage there. From yesterday's video about the bone broth sheep, today I didn't eat any bone broth. Stomach perfect again. No seeds. So fuck you, bone broth. Not very based of you to fuck me up like that. Oh. That's really how you know what foods to eat, what not to. If the foods keep fucking you up, maybe they ain't for you, son. But the thing is, so many people are so fucked up in the inside, and I don't mean spiritually now, I mean physically, that they cannot deal with most of the foods. But what foods they can deal usually? That's what carnivore diet is all about, because all the freaking symptoms go away when you eat only meat. But you can get into some problems eating only red meat. That can turn into eating disorder real quick also. Because sometimes your body craves other stuff than beef. Actually many times. And I know many people that start to get kinda fucked up only eating only beef for long periods. So it seems to me that human beings need something else too. But that's pretty good base. It's a hell of a base. Health and nutrition is all about listen to your body and eat accordingly. But if you don't know what that actually means, you can take that with very bad ways, because if you are a real NPC, you don't know what foods are what foods are natural or whatever. I say eat whatever you want, what you feel like it, but if your body's addicted to the wrong shit, obviously it's not gonna work. What's underlying that message is those foods that you feel like eating, they need to be natural foods. Then you really just can eat whatever you want, whenever you want, and as much as you want, because your body works. It's impossible to overeat with raw meat. I pretty much undereat, I would say. Because your body's like, I'm had enough now, I'm satiated. Thanks for the food. See ya in a bit. But when you eat some bullshit and natural garbage with all this fats and sugars mixed up with a bunch of chemicals, a bunch of drugs. Everybody's like, ooh wee, let's have fun. And then you have a little bit too much fun. It's kind of like casual sex or whatever, hedonism in a sense. Like life is all about following your nature and not repressing your nature. But you have to do natural things. You can't get crazy. That's why all these rich people doing all these hedonistic practices, following their senses kinda, following the pleasure. But they're doing all these weird ass rituals and just taking it over the top. They have no base. They're just flying sky high in this unnatural world. Like in nature, you follow your senses. You're gonna be one happy man with that one happy fam. Or maybe not, maybe I'm speaking out of my ass, but I don't think so. See you next one.